Hello friends, myself Professor Shanta A. Gurmat, Department of Botany, MGC Arts, Commerce and Science College, Mudebehala, Karnataka State. Friends, today's class we discuss about economic botany, the cereals. First one is rice. The botanical name of rice is Oryza sativa and comes under family Poaceae. Rice is the major agricultural crops in India, occupying about 37% of the total area under cereals. It covers a total area of 42.31 million hectares, the world's largest rice area. The total yield of this vast area, although poor some years back, has now risen to 73.66 million tons a year, with the cultivation of some spatial prolific varieties. However, Asia as a whole accounts for 90% of the world's total rice production. Rice is the staple food in India and tropical Asia and feeds over 60% of the world's population. Its pericarp and embryo contains 70 to 80% of starch, 7% proteins, 1.5% oils, some vitamins, mostly A, B, and C, and some essential minerals. In polished rice, however, the pericarp is destroyed, causing the loss of some precious nutrients, means proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Throwing away the water after cooking results in further loss. What finally remains in cooked rice is mainly starch. Rice has been under cultivation in India and China from time immemorial. There are about 7,000 varieties of rice, of which about 4,000 occurs in India alone. The average yield of rice in India is some more or less 1741 kg per hectare per year. Tamil Nadu leading with 1974 kg as against 3117 kg and 4406 kg in Egypt and Japan, respectively, where the fields are heavily manured. Rice straw is a fodder for cattle. Rice starch is used in preparing alcoholic beverage. Then origin. There is a general consensus that rice was domesticated somewhere in India or Indochina, probably in southern India, where there are marshy express or areas with low intervening mountains and also periodic indents which are ideally suited to the cultivation of rice. Then we discuss about cultivation. 2 or 3 cropping are practiced in India according to the conditions of the soil and the climate. Indian rice fields generally remain under manured. Common seasonal varieties are AUS or summer rice, Aman or winter rice, Boro rice, which is grown between the two seasons with many sub varieties of each. AUS or summer rice, it is a coarse, difficult to digest and low yielding as compared to Aman. AUS paddy prefers high and without waterlogging. Aman or winter rice, it is better in quality, finer and more easily digestible. Aman paddy prefers low lying land with clay soil. Boro paddy, it is a minor crop. 2 croppings may be practiced. Number 1, kharif or rain crop sown in June to July and harvested September to October. Then rabi or winter crop sown in October to November and harvested in March and April. Deep water paddy It is grown in low lying areas during the rains, but not widely. It can stand water depth of 1.5 to 3 meters or even more. Rice recipes. There are different kinds of recipes: veg biryani, tomato rice, lemon rice, ghee rice, veg fried rice, biryani rice, jeera rice, pudina rice, carrot rice, curd rice. Different kinds of rice dishes or recipes are available. Okay, thank you friends. We meet in the next video.